Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to be talking about templates and how you can apply them to your eBay products. So what are templates? Templates are basically an automation tool when it comes to setting up repetitive settings in your eBay products. And the way you create them is just by going to the template section. And once that's done, all you have to do is apply this template to your products, right? So the way you create a template is click on the plus sign, and then I can call this the eBay template video. For example, I can give it a name. I can give it a quantity, so the number of products I'm selling, basically, the quantity of the product. I can set a condition to new, refurbished, or used. Then I can create a header and a footer. So a header it goes like this. So it's header plus description plus footer, right? Something like this. So here I could say, thank you for visiting my store. And here I can say, in the footer, I can say, have a fantastic day, right? Something like this, which allows the buyers to kind of just view the message and perhaps feel good about it. Next, we can go into the sales channels, and that's where these templates matter most. Is you can actually set up, one template to go to multiple sales channels. And what we can do is we can select eBay for this example. And what we can do next is create an eBay product category. You can set it to auto detect, but let's say you're always using this for your furniture, for example. You can set up a singular category essentially, right? But instead of doing that, I'm just gonna make it auto detect. And then I'm going to move on to the other sections. So the payment policies, the shipping policies, and return policies. So what is the payment policy? This is something that's created on your eBay account. It's the settings that are here, like which payment types do you accept? Do you want like local payment or online payment? And you can set that up in your eBay settings. The next policy is the shipping policy, and that takes care of how long is your handling time, how long is other things, like do you ship to 48 states or do you ship to, all states, even Puerto Rico? That's what the shipping policy does. It sets that up. You can have multiple of them, and you can set those up in your business policies in eBay. There's plenty of videos online that show you how to do this. Once you have those, they'll just import into Fbmfox, right? And lastly, you have the return policies, and the return policies also talk about, if you return a product, what is the return window, who gets their money back, who pays for shipping. So all of those things are also in the return policies that get imported by our software. Next, we have the package weight. I just like to set this as a default of like 2 pounds and height of like 2 inches by 2 inches, 2 inches. A lot of people don't actually care about if the height of the product is exactly as you mention it. So for the demonstration of this video, I'm going to just make it 2. You have a city state, which you need for every single listing, and that's where the templates come in handy. And on top of that, you also have the zip code, which you should have in every single listing, or else the product doesn't list. The templates make that easy, and they apply it everywhere. Next, you just want to hit Save Changes, and that's about it. So I just created this template, and let's see where it is. It's right here. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and edit this template. I'm going to set the quantity to something like 7. I'm going to set the margin to like 250%, right? So I want a 200% profit on my product. And I'm just going to hit Save Changes. Then I'm going to go into my products, and now I can apply this template to my existing products. That's the part that kind of just helps you make mass edits to your products in one shot. So anyway, I could just click on this and then click on bulk actions, apply or reapply template, click on apply, and then select my latest template, which is eBay template video. You see these values right here, they will change as soon as we apply this template. What we did, remember, is we changed the quantity, we changed the margin, the markup. So all those things will reflect once this template is applied. And those changes will also be updated to ebay.com. So we'll just give it a moment to update. It says product updated successfully. It seems our markup has changed. If you click on edit, you can see that the quantity is 7 now. the margin is 250%. And if I click on this ebay.com via API link, you can see that there's 7 available at $700. And yeah, that's basically it. So you can do a lot of cool things with templates, and they're really important for bulk uploading, right? Now, you can also go ahead and do like cross templates, right? So here I have Facebook Shops plus Shopify. Here I have a Shopify template. I can also create a Facebook Shops and eBay template, right? So if I go into the eBay template video, the one that I just created, I can click on edit and then go into sales channels and then click on, Facebook Shops via feed link and Facebook Marketplace, things like this. And I can add like a shipping price to my Facebook Marketplace, $4.99, let's say, and I want it to hide from friends. And then for my Facebook Shops, I'm going to say the category is auto detect, and auto detect for my Google category also. If you guys are not familiar with this, we have plenty of videos going over Facebook Shops and all those things. So now, all I can do is go ahead and save these changes. Once I hit save changes, I can go back into my products. And then once again, I can select this, and this one, ideally what's going to happen is the sales channels are going to change because we just updated them. You're going to go into bulk actions, apply, reapply template, hit apply, then go into the last template, which is eBay template video, and then hit save changes. All right, so now you can see that these 2 sales channels are also checked, which means that you will find your product going over to Facebook Shops, right, through the feed link. And you also find it going over to eBay. And if you were to set up Walmart and Shopify APIs with us and integrate them, we have videos on Shopify, but we're coming out with videos on Walmart. They should be out soon, but you should be able to see a direct connection to those products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look forward to the bulk upload video for ebay.com. We have an integration with the templates that you could bulk upload products straight to eBay, and it's a huge time saver. So we're going to go over that, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.